Same plants producing food for 50 years. Same roots, no replanting. You don't have to start over every spring. Today, 25 perennial crops. Herbs, vegetables, berries, fruits, nuts. Number 7 is a crop you already grow, but not as a perennial. Number 15 has gardens still producing after 50 years. Drop your USDA zone in the comments. Subscribe if you're tired of starting from zero every spring. Lemon balm. Contain it. Rosmarinic acid peaks under heat stress. Zones 4, 9. Chives. Regular and garlic types, edible flowers, divide every few years. Mint. 5-gallon container minimum. Oregano. Greek variety, second flush after flowering is best harvest. Thyme. 30-year plants in Europe. Thymol higher when stressed. Sage. Lean soil. Minimal water. Cognitive research. Garlic payoff. Leave the bulb. Harvest greens like scallions forever. Deer deterrent. Zones 3, 9. Next, permanent vegetables, including crops that feed you into the 2040s. Horseradish. Fresh grate beats any jar. Edible young leaves. Divide roots. Rhubarb. Toxic leaves compost only. 10-15-year crown. Artichoke. Harvest buds or let bloom for bees. Strawberry. Runners multiply free. Mix varieties for 8-10-week harvest. Blackberry. Clumping thornless only in small yards. Raspberry. Ever-bearing double harvest. Currant. Red, black, white. Deer resistant. Blueberry longevity payoff. Documented 50-plus year bushes. Acidic feed twice a season. Mix varieties for 10-12 weeks fruit. Highest ROI on this list. Goji. Needs space and drainage, not wet feet, late summer harvest. Vines and trees that become legacy orchards. Number 25 is generational. Muscadine, native grape, deep roots, disease-resistant, hardy kiwi. 3-4-year wait, then hundreds of fruit, need male pollinator. Figure. Chicago hardy regrows from roots after freeze. Fruit same season. Peach and nectarine. Thin fruit, net birds, dwarf for small yards. Apple, cross-pollinate, prune for spurs, early mid-late varieties for 12-week harvest. Hazelnut. Compact, fresh cracked flavor. Net for squirrels. Almond. Hall's Hardy Zone 5. Hot summers for maturity. Asparagus crown. 20 years 1 planting, year 1 no harvest, year 3 full harvest. Could feed someone in your house 2 decades from now. Year 1 herbs and garlic. Year 2 rhubarb, blackberry, currant. Years 3 to 5 berries and stone fruit building. Years 5 to 10 apple, kiwi, nuts. Generational. Asparagus 20 years, blueberry 50 years, nut trees decades. Every annual needs replanting. Every perennial stays. Pick one crop this season. Comment which one in your zone. Subscribe for the perennial food border video next week.